Hello everyone. I went to the extension office this morning for the county that I live in and picked up some Patriot blueberries this morning, so I'm going to pot these up right now. I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Many people have asked me where I'm getting my plants from, and a lot of the times I try to get the cheapest version I can, which is through the extension office. So many of the trees around my property, if you see in my yard tours, I got from extension offices for very cheap. So let's take a look at what these look like. They came bagged up, so it's pretty small. You can see what the rip ball looks like overall in the container, or how it was packaged. And they're individual little pieces, so they've been soaking for a good couple hours. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of take them apart, and we're going to package them into 1-gallon containers. Just going to get them out of the wrapping here. So again, these are Patriot blueberries. The planting medium I'm going to use is a peat, compost, and perlite mixture. Because this root ball is really small, you can see I got plenty of room. So I'll let this grow out, and then I'll package it into a larger container in the future. It's going to take about 4 years before they're going to produce berries. So I'm simply going to scoop and fill, shake it, press, leave a little bit of a indentation. So as I pick it up, you can see I've got a little lip around to let the water go. These are really nice. The key when you get bare root plants is you want to make sure they're well hydrated before you start. I'm kind of holding that up as I put it in there. The wind's blowing. I might have to do a voiceover. So you want to put a scoop of medium in the container, probably about halfway. I don't want to bury this too deep. I really want to get it back up to kind of where it was. So I'll hold the stem, backfill, shake it a little bit. I can always pull up on it if I need to get it up to the level. Now the peat moss is going to act as an acidifier, so I am going to top this off with pine needles. That will help lower the pH as they break down. Continue to fill in with compost on these. So there we have 10 containers. So I'm done potting it up. I need to go give these a good drink so they're ready to go. At the end of the season, I'll check and see if they're root bound, and I will pot them up one size larger, and then I'll continue to do that next year as well until we get to probably a 10 or 20 gallon size pot. So it's been about 2 weeks since I potted up these blueberries, and you can see that we've got actual buds coming, and I brought them out to hang out with the other blueberries I have, which are in here, and they're starting to flower because they need to have a cross pollinator. I really wasn't expecting buds, but it looks like I'm going to get possibly some blueberries the first year, which is awesome. So this is going to be a good thing. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.